Yeah. Oh my god, what the heck? I'm in this. Oh gosh. I'm in FM-WARW. Oh goodness. Oh gosh. Alright, it's about time.
Queens County in southeastern New York.
Let's go.
Staten Island in southeastern New York. Southern Westchester County in southeastern New York until 9:45 p.m.
Alright, now we
6:34 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Wait, hold up.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
It's not
Source:
95.5.
radar.
What?
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jersey City, Yonkers, Flatbush, Flushing, Bayonne,
What the heck?
Hoboken, East Tremont, Bergenfield,
Alright, let's go.
Secaucus, Ridgefield, South Hill, Queenstown, Manhattan, Hay Bridge, LaGuardia Airport, the Lozano Bridge,
Oh, it's on 96.7 FM. Look, 96.7. Look at that.
Jersey City, Yonkers, Flatbush, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and Westchester.
GRO. San Paulo, San
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is to be possible. Where portions of
Flooding.
including the following areas: Bronx, Brooklyn,
Fields is more blunt. And I'm curious.
Excessive runoff may result in flooding.
What's in that?
And flood-prone locations, as well as along rivers and streams. Additional details: showers and thunderstorms with heavy rain.
Alright, we just got an FF station. I got the FFW.